From ABC 7, live breaking news.
We are now aware of 4 California residents who have been exposed to the Andes hantavirus related to the MV Hondias cruise ship.
Breaking news of the health scare on the high seas. Just minutes ago, California's top health officials announced a total of 4 California residents have been exposed to hantavirus in connection with that cruise ship outbreak. Good afternoon, I'm Karina Nova. Here's what we just learned from the California Health Department. A South Bay resident from Santa Clara County was on the ship but disembarked before the outbreak. 2 others were on the ship as well. They disembarked over the weekend in the Canary Islands and are now in a quarantine at a federal facility in Nebraska. The 4th Californian is a Sacramento County resident who's in the state, and that person was not on the ship, but health officials say they were exposed to an ill person on a plane in South Africa. All 4 Californians are currently healthy and are not showing symptoms. They are being closely monitored. State health officials were questioned about the 2 people who are now back home in California and whether they are in quarantine. This was their response.
They're doing modified activities in alignment with our Centers for Disease Control guidance as well. So they are limiting activities outside the home. They're doing daily temperatures and in contact with their local health departments.
Health officials continue to insist that the hantavirus risk to the general public remains extremely low. They say a person who does not have symptoms cannot infect someone else, so it's different than COVID in that way. There are likely at least 10 total hantavirus cases, including 1 American and 1 French passenger who tested positive after disembarking the ship. ABC News reporter Alex Stone has an update on the international impact.
Today, health officials are insisting the risk to the public is low.
We have this under control and we're not worried about it.
President Trump echoing that confidence that the hantavirus will not spread to a wider population.
We think we're in very good shape. We're very careful. And Nebraska has done a fantastic job.
1 American citizen is now in the biocontainment unit at the University of Nebraska Medical Center. That person testing positive for hantavirus after disembarking the ship. 15 others are in a quarantine unit in Nebraska being watched for symptoms. All flown back to the United States after being on board the MV Hondias.
There's a structure in place to make sure that no one poses a public health threat.
Those 15 at the University of Nebraska who are in quarantine have not tested positive, and they could decide in the coming days to go home to watch for symptoms. A CDC official tells ABC News they would first be assessed and would not fly home on a commercial flight. A couple from the ship are also at Emory University in Atlanta. 1 has symptoms of hantavirus. Initial genetic tests now confirm the hantavirus on the cruise ship is the known Andes variant and rule out any relevant mutations, according to Spain's health minister.
Let me be crystal clear. The risk of hantavirus to the general public remains very, very low.
Today, the ship's captain thanked the crew and guests for what he called an extremely challenging few weeks. That quarantine unit in Nebraska is described by doctors there as being like a hotel, while the biocontainment unit more like a hospital. Alex Stone, ABC News, Los Angeles.